Hi everybody, so for this week's video, we had to make a video on rock and mineral resources. So what I learned, or what I thought was most interesting, the thing about natural resources that interested me the most was how much it cost a company just to get the resources out of the ground. So it costs a company millions of dollars just to get the resources out of the ground, and it takes them many years to pull the permits through the government and through the landowners. And if it's on some type of special land, they have to meet up with for instance, if it was on like Indian tribes land, they'd have to meet up with them and get permission from them before they could do it. So it takes a lot of money, a lot of time just to figure out where the land is, and then they also have to scout the land and use radar to look to see where the resources are at around the land and how far deep they are. So the resource that I picked was actually aluminum. So what is aluminum? Aluminum is a metal which is used all over the world for manufacturing to mostly anything in your life that you use is gonna have some type of aluminum in it. Um, so aluminum is a chemical element with the symbol Al and the atomic number 13. So where can it be found? This metal is one of the most common metals that can be found in the Earth's crust. Aluminum d does not just occur as its natural state, it has to be extracted. So, how is it mined slash extracted? Aluminum is first mined from the Earth's crust, which I said that's where it's mostly found. It's the most abundant, one of the most abundant resources found in the Earth's crust as aluminum or bauxite. I think that's believe how it's said. After it is mined, it then is extracted from that aluminum or bauxite, um, and then by being refined through the Bayer process, which is um, kind of a long process to explain, so I probably don't have time to go through it. But if you wanted to look up and find more about it, you could just look it up on Google. So what is it used for? I did pull this out of the PDF where your aluminum was, and it gave us pretty good percentages of what aluminum is used for. So transportation applications account for 39% of domestic consumption. In the descending order, as you can see, the remainder was used in packaging, 19% building, 14% electrical, 9% consumer durables, 8% machinery, 8% and other 3%. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.